Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today's next video is that of a Christmas palm tree, which is number 6 of the palms that I grow in the Dougherty Garden. One of the more prevalent palms in the South Florida community because it literally grows all over the place and it's very hard not to miss them, especially as you get into the seasonal nature of the holidays. As we get towards Thanksgiving, then you start to see the Christmas palm tree starts to get a little Christmassy. Let me just show you mine. I believe I have some. So there we go. Let me get a little closer over here and we'll just take a look close. There's a Christmas palm tree. As you can see, let me get a little closer and closer and closer. There we go. As you can see, it's about 12 to 14 feet at the moment, maybe even a little larger than that. But let me get a little more coloring over here so you can see the red seeds. Sorry for the darkness, but it's that time of night and I just wanted to get a few more palm trees out of the way. So this is the Christmas palm tree, and they readily develop usually right below the palm tree. I don't see any at the moment, but you see all the old seeds and they just drop right over here and just germinate like crazy. It takes about I think about 60, if more than that, days than that to develop, but that's it, and that's the Christmas palm tree. Here we are. Take a look at all those pretty red. Get up there, give me a little red. Okay, that's it. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know any questions. We're all ears. Thank you. Bye bye.